I hear voices downstairs.
Me too. Let us go look.
Be very quiet, Layla.
Who is that green girl? Your hair is so pretty. Thank you, it is soft.
How old are you, Aisha?
I am 9 years old.
It is so quiet tonight.
Yes, the kids are asleep.
The house feels peaceful.
I love these quiet moments. Did you hear something?
I think someone is outside.
Let us check the front door. The knock was very soft.
Please open it carefully.
I am opening the door now.
Who could it be so late?
It is a little girl.
Oh my, look at her hair.
She looks like broccoli.
She is shivering out there.
Hello, is anyone home? Hello, sweetie, come inside.
What is your name, child?
My name is Aisha, sir.
Where are your parents?
I do not know where they are.
Are you lost in the area?
I looked for this house. Drink this warm cocoa now. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Why did you look for us?
I have this old picture. Let me see the photo.
It looks very ancient.
This is my old backyard.
My mother gave it to me.
This cannot be real life.
Let me see the picture.
That is my birth mother. This is my mother too.
Look at the small date.
She was born after me.
Are you my big sister?
This is unbelievable.
I hear voices downstairs.
Me too. Let us go look.
Be very quiet, Layla.
Who is that green girl? She looks like broccoli. Is she a new guest here? Mom looks very surprised. Let us walk down now. Your hair is so pretty. Thank you, it is soft.
How old are you, Aisha?
I am 9 years old.
I am older than you.
I am the youngest one. I always wanted siblings. We can be best friends.
We need a DNA test soon.
Yes, we must be sure.
The photo is very real.
My heart knows it is her.
She looks so much like you.
Except she is broccoli.
Families come in colors.
I will protect her now.